Hi everyone, welcome back to Tabletop Hobby. I'm Roger, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tamiya Basic File Set. Alright, so let's take a look here. This is the Tamiya Basic File Set, and as far as file sets go, for $5 to $10, you can pick this up, and it is brilliant. It's got your three basic files that you're going to use the most whenever you're doing a lot of crafting that involves plastic, right? If you're building Gunpla, if you're building plastic models, mini four-wheel drive, Warhammer, any of these kind of things, a file set is really handy. This one comes with three different files in it, and these are what's called a smooth double cut. These are what's called a fine double cut. And what that means is that it is a smooth file on the touch. It feels smooth. You can definitely feel the grooves in it though. And the double cut means that it's been cut in one direction and then it's been cut in the other direction. So when you're actually filing your piece of plastic, you're getting maximum results for minimal effort. The handle. This handle is coated in some kind of plastic. It's very hard, but it provides a really nice solid grip, right? Like you're not going to slip on that. Not sure exactly what this is, but it is very comfortable. The size of the files is perfect. For hobby modeling, this is what you want. It's nice and small, but not too small. Can get into the cracks. This file here is the wide flat, so it's flat on both sides. It's slightly more coarse. Well, I guess probably not. It just feels a little more coarse on one side because I probably use it less. Right, so that's one of the files. This one here, it's more like an ice pick. It's round all the way and comes to a fine point. Very handy in the right situation when nothing else is going to work. You're trying to get those nice round edges on something. This is what's going to do it for you. And then this file here, this is my favorite one. This is the one that I use the most. It is flat on one side, just like the other one, not quite as wide. See, it sort of tapers into the middle there, if you can see that. Right, and then on the other side, it's rounded. Right, so and it's a wider set than this one. That I find really versatile. I use this one the most. I use the flat side, I use the round side. It just seems to be able to get into a lot of areas. And then sometimes I might need to touch up with this one, or if I have like a big area to go over, then I'm going to be hitting it with this. So this here is the Tamiya Basic File Set, and it might be basic, but it is amazing. You should really pick one up if you do any kind of modeling. It comes with this handy little case here. You can see mine's got paint splatter and dust accumulation. I've had this about I think 8 years now, and it gets a lot of use. Highly recommend that you pick up this set or something similar. It'll make your hobby work a lot more fun and a lot more effective. Thanks for checking out this video and a little bit about the Tamiya Basic File Set. Look forward to seeing everyone on the next video.